गुड इवनिंग चिल्ड्रेन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। हम लोग फर्स्ट चैप्टर का द फन दे हैड विच इज़ रिटन बाय आइजैक एसिमोव। इसका हम लोग थीम, समरी, वर्ड मीनिंग्स कर लिए थे। तो अब हमारा जो लेफ्ट पार्ट है वो हमारा क्या है, क्वेश्चन आंसर। तो हम लोग आज उसको करते हैं। थिंकिंग अबाउट द टेक्स्ट, question answer in few words or a couple of sentences. First question is, how old are Margie and Tommy? Answer, Margie was 11 and Tommy was 13 years old. Second, what did Margie write in her diary? Answer, she wrote in her diary, today 17 May 2157 Tommy found a real book. Third, had Margie ever seen a book before? Answer, no, Margie had never seen a book before. If she had, she could not have written the sentence in her diary. Fourth, what things about the book did she find strange? Answer, she found its yellow and wrinkled pages strange. She wrote she also found the words strange. They stood still instead of moving. Fifth, what do you think a telebook is? Answer, a telebook is what moves on a television screen. It, however, is like a book. Sixth, where was Margie's school? Did she have any classmates? Answer, Maggie, her school was her own room. Her mechanical teacher computer was placed in it. It taught her. She did not have any classmates. Seventh, what subjects did Margie and Tommy learn? Answer, Margie learned geography and mathematics. Tommy learned history and mathematics. Second हमारा question answer with reference to the story. First reference is, I would not throw it away. First question, who says these words? Answer, Margie says these words. Second question, what does it refer to? Answer, it refers to that real book that Tommy found. Third question is, what is it being compared with by the speakers? Answer, it is being compared with the telebooks by the speaker. Second reference is, sure, they had a teacher, but it was not a regular teacher, it was a man. First question, who does they refer to? Answer, they refers to the children of centuries ago. Second, what does regular mean here? Answer, regular means mechanical teacher. Third, what is it contrasted with? Answer, human teacher is contrasted with mechanical teacher. थर्ड है हमारा क्वेश्चन आंसर इन शॉर्ट पैराग्राफ अबाउट 30 वर्ड्स. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, व्हाट काइंड ऑफ टीचर्स डिड मैगी एंड टॉमी हैव? दे आंसर, दे हैड मैकेनिकल टीचर्स इन द फॉर्म ऑफ television or computer teachers. It was year 2157. Science had replaced main teacher with computer teachers. Second, why did Maggie's mother sent for the county inspector. Answer, she sent for the county inspector. Maggie's mechanical teacher had been giving trouble in its geography sector. It had been too quick. Maggie could not follow it. Third, what did he do? Answer, he visited Maggie's house. He took away the mechanical teacher. He set its geography level equal to Maggie's mental level. Fourth, why was Maggie doing badly in geography? What did the county inspector do to help her? Answer, Maggie had been doing badly. The geography sector had been too quick for her follow. Maggie's mental level was not in tune with it. The county inspector reset the mechanical teacher's mental level equal of that of Maggie. Fifth question is, what had once happened to Tommy's teacher? Answer, the history sector of Tommy's mechanical teacher had blanked out completely, so they took it away for nearly a month. Tommy relaxed for that period without any worry. Sixth, did Maggie have regular days and hours for school? If so, why? Yes, Maggie had regular days and hours for school. It is clear in her mother is calling her to study. Then Tommy had been to his home then. Seventh, how does Tommy describe the old kind of school? Answer, he describes that they had a special building. All the kids went there. They learned the same thing. They helped each other in that. They laughed and shouted in the schoolyard. They sat together in the schoolroom. 8. How does he describe the old kind of school teachers? Answer, he described the old teachers. He told her that did not live in the house. They had a special building. They went there. They gave the boys and girls homework. They asked them questions. They were a human beings. थैंक यू चिल्ड्रन। यहाँ हमारा क्वेश्चन आंसर पैराग्राफ कंप्लीट होता है। नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मैं फोर्थ क्वेश्चन आंसर जो कि 2 या 3 पैराग्राफ्स में डालना है वो मैं भेजूँगी। और आपको कोई भी डाउट्स हो तो आप मुझे कमेंट कर सकते हैं। और हाँ, अगर आप चाहें कि मुझे कुछ क्वेश्चन पूछना है जो कि लाइव आके ही सॉल्व हो सकता है, जैसे कि पढ़ाई में आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम हो, तो आप मुझे कमेंट करके बता सकते हैं। थैंक यू एंड प्लीज़ लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल।